I'm supposed to be, he said to all of his friends. It wasn't that I wasn't born like me, it's just that the similarity ends. I need to call a different style of life, I'll be right for the new identity.